In this video, we'll learn about the systems of numbers. Okay, you are very familiar with the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on, 0 plus minus 1 minus 5 plus 4 minus 7 6 4, and the numbers like 7 upon 5, 2 upon 9, 1 upon 11, and so on. Okay, so these numbers basically form a system. Some form a system of natural numbers while others form a system of rationals or irrationals. There are minor differences between all these types of number systems. Starting with the natural numbers, the first category, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite, these types of numbers fall in the category of your natural numbers. Okay, when I am talking about 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, then here I am talking about the whole numbers. Okay, but if these numbers are comprised with plus minus, okay, for example, I am considering over here is your 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 up to infinity. So such a set of numbers is known as the set of integers. Okay, so basically 1, 2, 3, 4, the general numbers starting from the 1 up to infinity fall in the category of naturals, and they form a system of natural numbers, while 0 included with the natural numbers is forming a system of whole numbers. If I am talking about 1, 2, 3, 4 both with positive sign and with negative sign, and 0 is included in it, then this set of system forms a system of integer numbers. But if I am talking about fractions, since your 8th standard you have been dealing with decimals, fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, the type of numbers. So here I am talking about a number which is of the form p by q. Listen carefully, many of the students get confused with the definition of the rational number, which is quite important not only for your 9th standard but for 10th standard and higher classes as well. Okay, for competitive exams, most important. So a number that is in the form of p by q, q is not equal to 0, p and q belong to integers such that P and Q are having a HCF of 1. Okay, basically P and Q are co-prime because the numbers which are having 1 as their GCD or HCF are the co-prime. So such category numbers are your rational numbers. For example, 2 upon 5. 5 is not equal to 0, 2 and 5 belong to integers, HCF of 2 and 5 is equal to 1. Okay, this is your definition of rational numbers, where maximum of the student leave the concept of the numbers being co-prime. Okay, so this is your definition of your rational, and such type of numbers form a system of rational numbers. Now, if you are having a number of the form a plus b under root c, okay, where a, b and c both are your real numbers, then this type of set is your irrational. For example, 2 plus under root 3, 5 minus under root 7, under root 6 minus under root 11. Such type of numbers fall in the category of irrational, forming a system of irrational numbers. I hope you got the definitions of the naturals, wholes, integers, rationals and irrationals quite clearly. So the last I'm going to talk about these definitions is that your number systems formed by the natural numbers, rationals, irrationals, integers, whole numbers, these all fall in the category of real numbers. Okay, so basically real number is that pool which contains your natural numbers, contain your integers, contains your whole numbers, contains your rationals and contains your irrationals. Okay, these all belong to the family of real numbers, and all these category having some points of differences between them. My dear, in your competitive examinations with the practical explanation, with the practical application of the questions, you must be quite clear about the definitions of these.